longitudinali anche nei fatti. Ladies and gentlemen, the Gornergrat Railway welcomes you aboard the train from Zermatt to Gornergrat. Your ticket allows you to join or leave the train at any station or to make a stop along the way. We wish you a pleasant journey.
It has a little bit of cloud on it, hoping that once we get up to the top it'll be a little clearer for us to see it. Matterhorn, and then the town down below. We're getting higher. Elevation rise is really, really high. Incredible views up here. Alps. Lightning Alps. Towns in between. Lovely incline. I have to hold on for dear life because we're going up a hill at a massive incline. Very cool. We're going up the incline, and here's the driver. She's driving us up the mountain, and this is an incredible incline. Getting colder up here now. We are 2 stops away from the Matterhorn on Riefellenberg. We are going to stop at the next stop to see the lake. Stopped at Rotenboden, which we're supposed to see a lake. So we're going to see where that is. It is getting colder. I have layered up 3 more layers. And we've taken a stop to look at some of these little lakes up on top. There's people hiking down. We don't have our hikers, so we can't really hike the really tough terrain here. So we're just up at the top, enjoying the scenery. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna hike, but it's getting too cold out here. So therefore I am hiking down the mountain a little bit. Gotta be careful where I put my feet and try to get down the easiest way possible. Johnny decided to stay up there. He's all hooded up, just like I'm all hooded up too, because the wind is actually quite fierce and cold. I'm down far enough to get a better shot of this little lake here. I'm not going to go all the way to the other lake there because I've got to make it all the way back up that mountain within 15 minutes. So here I go. I'm geared up, and you can see the little lake in behind me, as well as the mountainscape. It's a cloudy day. Thankfully it hasn't started raining yet, but it is cold. I'm thinking it's about 7 or 8 degrees, and with the wind, that's why I've got this on, it's probably about 4 or 5 degrees. But it's beautiful here up on the Matterhorn. This is where the train comes up on. Not sure what the system is called. John seems to think it's clock and clock, but I will research it. It's raining, and we are waiting for the clickety-clack to come so we can go up to the top so we can see, hopefully, see the Matterhorn. But it's raining. It's a little bit foggy, a lot foggy.
Hey kids,
We are on the Matterhorn in the Swiss Alps. It's snowing. We've layered up, you can see. And you can't see the Matterhorn, but we took some really nice pictures coming up and video coming up.
It's a little bit chilly.
It's a lot chilly, not a little bit chilly. I've got a lot of...